So the question that I'm answering is about this scale here, which is CAS SW-RS or SW20, whichever way you want to call it. This is the only scale that physically connects to Clover point of sale systems. And the question came up, can there be 3 decimal points for the unit Tare, the app by CSI Works that removes the weight of the container from whatever that we're weighing? And the answer is no, because look, right now I have the scale set to unit of measure LB, and as you can see that the scale only accommodates for 2 positions after the decimal point. So if we were to make 3 position points on the app, that would not work for that scale because the scale only has 2 position points. It is not possible to go 3 position points with this scale. Let me show you the rest of the units of measure. So for ounces, there's just 1 position point after the decimal. There are no decimals for the grams. And the kilogram is the one that has 3 position points. So if you were in Canada, the answer would be yes. But 2 position points for the pounds. Alright, so you just saw the scale part. Now let me show you the same use case and explain it from the point of sale view. And first I want to show you the inventory, right? So when we're talking about the unit of measure, we're talking about items that are set up as per unit right here. And this is a bit of an interesting thing because you have to manually say that it's an LB, but you have to say that it's LB. The price per unit is defined, here. That's it. You don't get to define the units, the number of units here. But let me show you something. We need a name. There we go. So if I go to register, and I don't currently have the scale connected, right? And if I just find this test per unit item. So on this screen, manually, without connecting the scale, I can do, like this. I can add as many decimal points as I want, is the point. And that's if you don't have the scale connected. But now let me connect the scale and show you what happens. Alright, so Mini has this hub, and I already have one part of it connected to the scale, and so now I'm just going to connect this USB to the hub, and that establishes the connection. And as you can see, as soon as I've done that, Clover switches its interface, and I can no longer do anything with this number. Now it just picks the value from the scale. So let me add a value, and there it is, right? And for that, it actually also has only 2 decimal points. There is no option to add 3 or anything else. Okay, thank you.